Gujarat, propelling the growth of a new India. Gujarat, a state with many firsts. Gujarat has been at the forefront of driving the growth of the country. A strong and stable economy, coupled with Government of Gujarat's proactive and investor-friendly policies, have resulted in Gujarat emerging as a global business hub. In line with the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision of a self-reliant India and led by the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Bhupendra Patel, the state's conducive business environment has attracted investment from leading industrial giants, making it the manufacturing hub of the country. The state is an industrial paradise with its all-inclusive, sustainable development model, huge reservoirs of skill and knowledge, and vast business and investment potential. Gujarat is a leader in industrial sectors such as chemicals, petrochemicals, drugs and pharmaceuticals, dairy, cement and ceramics, gems and jewelry, textiles and engineering. Ushering a new era in the ever-evolving market economies and driving the next phase of digital revolution, the Government of Gujarat has identified a fresh growth avenue: semiconductors and displays.
Semiconductors are playing a critical role in the world in more ways than we can imagine. It is our collective aim to establish India as one of the key partners in global semiconductor supply chains.
Gujarat has taken a lead by being the first state in the country announcing a dedicated policy for providing assistance to semiconductor and display manufacturing facilities. The policy is structured to guide and facilitate investment in the industry, making Gujarat the next global hub of semiconductor and display manufacturing sector. It aims to make Gujarat a pioneer state in developing the Indian electronics system design and manufacturing ecosystem, strengthening the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat through Atmanirbhar Gujarat. Under the aegis of the Department of Science and Technology, Gujarat State Electronics Mission (GSEM) has been set up with a vision to build a vibrant semiconductor, display and design and innovation ecosystem. GSEM will organize efforts for promoting the industry in a more structured, focused and comprehensive manner. Now, two international giants have joined hands and have come forward to partner with the Government of Gujarat in the semiconductor and display manufacturing sector. The globally acclaimed Vedanta Group and Taiwanese conglomerate Foxconn Group. This collaboration will be one of the biggest investments in the history of independent India, with a total projected investment of 1.54 lakh crore rupees. The mega partnership will generate more than 1 lakh jobs of direct and indirect employment. Vedanta Group is a globally diversified Indian conglomerate with a strong presence in high-tech electronics value chain and in-house glass technology. Honhan Group Foxconn is a Taiwanese multinational electronics contract manufacturer. It leverages its expertise in software and hardware to integrate its unique manufacturing systems with emerging technologies. The group has expanded its capabilities in 3 key technologies: artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and new generation communications. Gujarat welcomes Vedanta Foxconn Group to sign a memorandum of understanding with the Government of Gujarat. Suswagatam.